My basic principle is a promise made has got to be a promise kept. Not just Social Security, but also Medicare as well. Both of these programs are mandatory spending in the federal budget, and they account for about 43% of our entire budget. You know, our senior population relies heavily on these two programs, and we must do all we can to preserve and strengthen both Medicare and Social Security. It's critical that we keep our commitment to our nation's seniors, and just like other government programs, we should be doing all we can to make sure we do proper assessment. Cost-benefit analysis should be done to make sure that these programs are providing the necessary services in a cost-effective, manner. And any reforms should be developed through a truly bipartisan process. I'm going to strive to eliminate government waste. One of the things that I became painfully aware of here in California and a lot of these in the social service programs here is the heavy cost of administrative costs, and that's just totally unacceptable. I've heard those figures as high as 70% administrative costs. With regards to our Social Security and Medicare programs. That has got to stop. We need to audit these programs to make sure that these dollars are being used for its intended purpose. I'll support the necessary legislation that will make sure that happens. And it's about time to get back to some basic common sense. You can't rob Peter to pay Paul. This idea of borrowing money from Social Security to go fund some other type of program, that's got to stop. That's what got California into the problems it's having today. It's what's causing a lot of the problems that we have at the federal government. It's time to get back to basics. You're going to collect money from people. You spend it for what you said you were going to collect, that you told them that you were collecting it for, and you got to make sure that the people get the benefits of those dollars.